A couple months ago, I tried the Insta360 Ultra. Wasn't really feeling it. I have to try this one. If I like it, I'm gonna keep it. If I don't, I'm gonna return it. But it's like a competitor to the Insta360 Ultra. I'm just hoping that the quality is comparable to my DJI Pocket 3. I just wanna show what's coming in the box. I'm gonna test out the quality with some Williams grips. I ripped off the case, we got the wire, got a mount. I'll play with that when I get home. I just want the magnet and the camera, to be honest. And then on the side, here is the camera, it looks like. Alrighty, so we got the camera here. Cool. I guess this is the house for the camera. I hope it's a little bit charged up, because if not, that's gonna suck. It's lighter than the Insta360 Ultra, both the housing and the camera. I might have to connect it to my app. Easy breezy connecting. Had their Action 2, the squared one. I returned it because it overheated too quick. Hopefully they were able to tweak out those technical difficulties and shit. We're gonna test this bad boy now when I ride, but let's show the accessories real quick while I'm here. So the suction mount, a magnetic mount. That's this. Hopefully it works with my boat. Because I want to get myself cutting up while I'm wheeling. Secure as I would like. Probably with my t-shirt though, it'll be more secure. And you can control the controller here, which is pretty cool. A flip, very similar to the 60 Ultra hat clip. The camera quality is comparable to my Pocket 3. This might become my main, like my GoPro, not for nothing, my main vlogging camera. Because I love the quality of my DJI Pocket, so funny shit. Yep, need that. The first thing I want to do is like, we're going to do a comparison. DJI, we just going to let it record. We're going to have that, and we're going to have the camera here. I just hope my shit don't fall off. My gloves at, it's a little nippy. Hope you could like see me. I hope, papi, it's okay. Life ain't that bad, baby. Let's see. Damn, Toda pobre. La calle está caliente.